the pen and use it, yeah, and shine.
Hey guys, well, I see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, we're in the season. It's a heritage season here. We not just only celebrate our heroes in October, but heritage in general. I was passing the market and ran into a lady who is selling some of the most authentic, traditional Jamaican stuff that really and truly embodies our heritage. Her name is Sonia. I'm at the back of the market here in downtown Montego Bay, and I'm gonna capture some of that to share with you. Children, take your pen and paper, take your tablets, and start taking notes. All right, guys, well, I'm here. I'm at Sonia's place in the market here. Hi, Sonia. Sonia, and just to let you know, yeah, we're keeping our distance. I am way ahead, I'm far away from her, so I'm using a long tripod to speak to her. So we're good, All right, so Sonia, how you do?
Not too bad.
Good. I say hi to the world, Sonia.
Hello, world.
I just want to let you know, first of all, that I appreciate this interview, Sonia.
Yeah.
Jamaica's culture and heritage is close to my heart, and I really, really cherish this opportunity to share with the diaspora, the young people here in Jamaica who probably don't have, who never really got an opportunity to see some of this. So I really appreciate it. All right.
Thank you.
All right. So what we're gonna do, guys? This is her little area here in the market. Different stuff. So I'm gonna have her, if Sonia don't mind, just get up and show me around here a little bit to show some of the stuff that she has here. All right. So let's start at the front, Sonia, and tell my viewers, what is this here now?
Yes, well, I have the coconut brush that you get from the jelly.
Yes.
Yes, and when it's dry, you cut it and it look like this. You use it to clean the board floor.
Use it to clean the board floor.
Yes.
So, okay. All right. So show me for the benefit of my viewers.
So the pen and use it, yeah, and shine. And shine the board floor.
This is what we used to use to shine floors back in the day.
Yes.
A coconut cutting tool.
Yes.
And this area here is where actually generates the shine.
Yes.
All right.
So
good.
you polish the floor and then you use this to shine and you get it so pretty.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, you don't have any polish here though.
No, I don't.
All right.
Honey.
Honey. Okay. Well, that's honey.
Yes.
Everybody.
Natural.
Natural honey.
Yes, that don't go through any process.
All right.
It's just natural.
Natural honey. But
yes.
I see something else that interests me, and I see.
Coke. You have this now. Yeah.
What's that?
Nutmeg grater.
Nutmeg grater.
Yeah.
Guys, remember this stuff, guys? Drop a line, drop a comment down below. That's a little baby.
Yes.
Nutmeg grater. So
Yes.
it's very small, probably about 4 inches.
Yes, you can
length.
use it to scrub your foot heel too.
Oh, really?
Yes, and get it pretty.
No, man, that has to be a tough heel, though, man.
No, you just
it's
take
pretty
your
sharp.
time and use it.
It's pretty sharp.
Take your time and use it.
Okay, so it's a grater?
Yes.
A baby grater?
Yes.
All right, I see here, this is our coal pot.
Yeah, the grits.
I know
the grits.
The grit for the coal pot. All right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you put that in the middle of the coal pot?
Yes, so that your coal does not drop out.
The coal doesn't drop- okay,
and you
good.
light your fire.
Good, good.
Yes.
All right, is this, what is, this is
It's a cake soap.
cake soap, original
Yes.
cake soap.
Yes.
I'm sure they have it all, still have it.
Yes. Give you a nice wash.
Nice wash,
Yes.
good.
And you have this as the coarse salt.
Coarse salt, for
Yes.
what? All right, so this is coarse salt. I know my grandparents talk about, I don't remember what
Yeah, you can use it like when your coconut tree not bearing, you throw it in the heart. Yes,
Oh.
and get it, yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
all
it's
right.
all for different stuff.
All
and
right.
some people use it to cook also.
Coarse salt.
Yes.
That's not Epsom salt, right?
No, coarse.
Coarse salt.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. All right.
And you have this zinc.
Okay, now here's
Yes.
another.
Yes.
Here's another
Original. Yeah.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
What is that? Tell
You
me.
use it to wash in.
So that's
And you
our
can
wash
bathe.
pan?
Yes.
All right. So
Very strong.
very strong. The
Yes.
original
Yes.
old-time Jamaican wash pan.
Right.
All right. And
Right.
that's a big one.
Yes.
All right. So let's use it to wash and what else?
Bathe it with too.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
it's all purpose, and if you can use it on fire.
All right, turn it around so my viewers, the top one, they can see how big.
Right.
All right, so it's, all right, so Sonia's holding. Okay, so it's pretty huge, and it is made of pure aluminum. It appears.
Yeah, it's yes, zinc.
All right,
yes,
good.
the galvan zinc.
Galvanizing.
Yeah.
All right. Good. So we have
The castor oil.
Castor
This is
oil.
what you use in your hair. This does not have in any salt.
No
Yes,
salt.
it's just natural. So you use it to steam the hair where the hair has body.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
And authentic Jamaican castor oil.
Yes.
Guys, authentic Jamaican. What is this now?
And this now, it's when you say drinks jug, but you know that this is metal.
Metal.
Yes, so
Oh,
these
this is-
were back in the days.
This is back in the day stuff too?
Yes.
All right, good. What is this one now?
And you have enamel kecker. Yeah.
All right, now I don't think, okay, so this one here, guys, for those of you who might be interested, Sonia is not selling this. This is just for display.
Yes.
All right, but it's an enamel kettle.
Yes.
And it looks very old-timeish too.
Yes.
Very English.
Yes.
And this is one of them that we had. Look at the little sprout.
Yes.
Okay, good. So
So
that's the
this
old-time
back in the days too.
old-time kettle.
And then this is a kecker also, but this is the iron one back in the
Iron.
days.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right,
Back in the days.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Lift it up, let me see. Let's let them know that. Oh, this is the old time kettle.
Yeah.
All right. So you put this directly on the fire? Or?
Yes, put it right on the fire, and it when it gets hot, it make the nice, so
And
you
that's-
know that.
It's ready. That's
Yes,
iron.
Yes.
Ah, cool.
Yeah. First time enamel mug.
Old time enamel mug.
Yes.
All right. This again. All right. Turn it around. This is the enamel. You know, they still sell them commercially.
Yes.
They still do.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but this is the old time Jamaican enamel mug.
Yes.
All right. All right. And guess what, guys? Here's some more. We're getting interest. It's getting interesting now.
Yes.
What's this?
No, you have the chimney.
The chimney.
The enamel chimney.
The enamel chimney.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Well, everybody should know what it is. This is chimney, not chimney.
No, it's
Ah,
chimney.
All right.
Yes.
So for those who want to know, what is that? What do you tell them?
Oh, you can use it to urine. That's what they used to use it back in the days.
Okay,
for.
and the
Yes,
knife.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I know. I just want to.
Yes.
All right. So you keep it under your bed
Yes.
and you take it out in the morning.
Right.
All right.
Understand.
All right. Good.
Yes.
And what is this?
And you have the pail.
The pail.
Yes. That you want to steam over it, or you want to sit and use it just as a chimney.
Okay.
It used both ways.
All right. The
Yes.
old time pail. Look,
Yes.
they still sell them.
Hard to get.
Hard to get.
Yes.
All right. So that's why, guys, Sonia.
Yes.
So some items here are limited supply. Some she actually just for display.
Yes. Yes.
So that's
Oh, you have the.
all right. Some stuff up the top here.
Yes. Such like the pan. Yes.
The pan. All right.
Yes, that's the half.
All right. So
Yes.
let me take it down
Yes.
and see.
That's the half pint. Yeah. This is the half.
All right. So what is that?
Yes, you use to measure your peas or your cooking oil. Yes.
Turn it around for my viewers. Okay. So that's the half pint.
Yes.
Or the quarter pint?
No.
That's
the
the half
pint.
Okay,
Yes,
and the one at the
that's
top?
the pint.
That's the one at the top is the pint.
So two of that make a quart.
Oh.
Yes.
So we're in metric now and it's liters, guys. But back in the days it's just pint and quart.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Good. All right.
And you have
Good learning.
the,
All right. All right. So what's that? What's
the
that?
spoon and fork that
Spoon and
make
fork.
out of the Dutch pot type.
Here's something of interest again, guys. What is this?
That's the canvas, the rough piece of canvas.
Canvas.
Yes.
All right. This is a canvas, and many of you, especially those of you in the diaspora, can relate to this, guys.
It's very useful, very handy.
So tell me,
If your house top is leaking, you can use it on it. It's a very all-purpose.
Okay.
A lot of things this do.
I think I recall my grandmother used it to dry pimento.
Yes.
You pour pimento on
A
it.
lot of things it do.
Okay, good. You still sell it?
Still sell it.
Okay.
Yes.
It's probably hard to get.
I
though.
don't really have it in stock now,
Yes.
but soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent,
Yes.
excellent. Guys, and there's a bonus for you. Remember this thing here? What is this called again?
Pudding pan.
Pudding pan.
Yes. You can use it to bake.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's a all purpose.
All right, turn it over. Turn it
Yes.
around and good.
Yes.
All right, so this one is not for sale. You
No.
use this one, but we're just capturing that, guys.
Yes.
As a bonus for you.
Yes.
It's made of aluminum or tin?
Aluminum metal.
Metal. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Aluminum. Okay. Good. But this is good. This is history, guys.
Yes.
Here. And one last thing. I noticed this is not. I guess wasn't intended for the camera, but I noticed Sonia have a rim with a pot.
The fire coal into.
The fire coal. You put the fire coal in here.
Yes.
All right, and a Dutch pot.
And it cook your pot.
Cooking the pot cover turn over.
It
This is good, guys. This is it. So she have her own little cooking station here. Old time Jamaican style, man. Love it.
Yes.
Sonia, thank you again, my friend. I have a question for you.
Yes.
I am curious. You're, you know a lot. You're still doing this. Why do you still do this?
Because I love it. I grew up and see my mother doing this type of work, so I just get into it.
Do you have a special liking for these kind of products, or is it just that?
No, I have a special love for it.
Do you find that, because your stuff is rare? I mean, this I almost a cursing pan. I know we have cursing, but this old time bath pan kind of thing, zinc pan here, is not something that probably isn't have very high demand. But why do you stock it? Why do you sell it?
Because people love it, you know. They know the strength of it.
Okay.
And it's much stronger than the bath.
Okay.
And this go through any roughness, but the bath cannot do what this do.
Okay, you mean like the plastic commercial one?
Yes.
And this is handmade, obviously?
Yes.
Okay.
So this you put it down and stone it, don't bore the bottom or anything. It's just...
This is what makes Sonia and her little station here unique, guys. She sells and there's a lot of items that she's telling me that she doesn't have now, but she sells authentic old-time Jamaican stuff. Your old bath pan, your old time spoon, old coal stove, you know, all those things, castor oil and those kind of things that defines us, that makes us who we are as Jamaican, you know. And so I want to thank you for that. I have a question, Sonia.
Yes.
In your opinion, what makes Jamaica special?
Oh, Jamaica is a beautiful country, you know. Yes, it's beautiful, man. Even the atmosphere alone, you understand me? Yes, and we are loving people. Yes, so, you know, we communicate together and so on. So, yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
Love it. By the way, Sonia, if there's anybody who is interested in what you're doing and who wants to learn a little bit more or wants to buy any of your old-time Jamaican products, including the old-time brush,
yes.
How can they get in touch with you?
Well, they can call me 876-281-6166.
Awesome. All right. So that's Sonia's contact, guys. If for any reason you want to reach out to her, perhaps you're having a function and you want her to come and showcase Jamaica in a booth or something. She's here. And of course, anything unique. Not everything here is on sale. These are souvenirs though. Right, but there's a lot here that she has on sale. And she'll be restocking pretty soon. Right, so there you go, guys. So some of those old-time items that embodies and showcases our unique Jamaican heritage. Which one of them can you relate to? I can relate to the brush. I used to use it back in the days in country to shine the floor, right? What about you? Can you relate to any of them? Or if this is brand new to you, let me know. I would love to hear what is your new learning. Drop a comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll see updated on all my new videos from right here on the rock. This is indeed the real Jamaica.